Good morning students, welcome to the online classes. Today we are going to discuss about the exercise of this chapter angle. Okay, so the first question, so according to the syllabus you know that the first question and second question is omitted. Now we will move to the third question. Before starting the third question, let me make you understand about some points. That is, if in the last class I explained you one complete turn is equal to 360 degree. Okay, so in the same that means one, that is the clock turns. Now the clock also moves in a 360 degree. Yes, the minute hand or the second hand all move in a 360 degree. So from this only we are getting one thing, 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds. Okay, is that clear students? So, and this formula we get from this. Okay, is that clear students? Question number 3, that is, we have to find the complementary angle of the following angles. Okay. So following angles, if 36 degree. So we have, for finding out the complement of the angle, so what we will do, we know that the sum of angles in complementary angle is 90 degree. So sum of angle, the one of the angle is here. The second angle we have to find out. Then what we will do? 90 minus 36. So 90 minus 36 degree is equal to 54 degree. Is that clear students? Now for this we are having 55 degree 10 minute 20 second. So okay. So you will find out like this. First for 90 degree, so degree we will minus it by 90 degree minus 55 degree 10 second 20 seconds, 20 minutes 20 seconds. Then in the next line, since 90 degree we have to minus this whole, so what we will do, we will write it 89 degree 60 seconds or 60 minutes minus 55 degree 10 minute 20 seconds. Then again we will minus it 89 degree 60, because here seconds are also there, so we will do write it 59 minute 60 seconds minus 55 degree 10 minute 20 seconds. Is that clear? Now we will minus have, when we will minus it, we will write out 59 degree 59 minute 60 second minus 55 degree 10 minute 20 seconds. So after subtracting you will get 0 4 seconds, minute is 9, 4 degree 4 34 degree, this will be the answer. So we are getting 34 degree 49 minute and 40 seconds. Is that clear students? I hope you understood. So next second question, also third question I have done for you. So the same procedure you will do for the supplementary angle also. Supplementary, the sum of 180 degree. So the sum of the angles will be 180 degree, you know that. So according to this you will do that. So in the place of 90 degree we will write 180 degree. And here when we have to find, when the minute and seconds are given, here minute and second both is given. So we have one number we have reduced from it, then we will write this. Is that clear students? Now in the question number 5, we have choose the pair of supplementary angles. Now what we will do, now two angles values are given, now two values are given, so you will add that both values and you should get, what you should get, supplementary angle means 179 degree 59. If 3 angles. If now from the first question only 1 minute is only there, no seconds. So it will be 179. When you are adding both the numbers, you should get 179 degree 60 minutes. Is that clear? Then you will get the answer. Is that clear, students? Another, if you are getting less than that, then it is not a supplementary angle. Okay, now 6th question also you can do it. Now 7th question I am telling you. Now an angle is equal to its supplement. Now here we have the question, an angle to its supplement. Find the angle. So here supplement, whatever the angle we are taking, we are making it as a supplement. So if we have supplement means the supplement of the another angle will be 180 minus 180 of the angle name. So that will be, we will noting down. First we will take it as, let the angle be, first we will take, let the angle be x. Okay. Now here, then we will write, and the supplement angle will be become angle is equal to 180 minus x. This is the supplement angle. Okay. Now we are for finding out what we will do. That what they are telling, an angle to its supplement. So A, according to the question we are having, according to the question what you will get? According to the question we will get x is equal to 180 minus x. Is that clear? Now for solving it, this an angle to its supplement. So you get, this x will come this side, it will become plus x is equal to 180 degree. Okay, then it will become 2x is equal to 180 degree, and it will become x is equal to 180 degree upon 2, that is equal to 90 degree. So this is the answer. Now you got the angle. Is that clear, students? And second question you can do it like the same as what you have done in the first portion. Okay, so the second question we have, the sum of two adjacent angles is 110 degree. If one of them is 40 degree less than the other, find the angles. Now here, so what the sum is 110 degree. If one of them is 40 degree less than the other, Now first what we will do about, by seeing the question, what we will first we will take it as x. The angle, let the angle be x. So we write 8th question, first let the first angle be x. Okay, so here first angle, then second angles they have told that 40 degree less than the other. The first angle we have taken as x, then and the other angle B, angle is equal to, other angle is equal to, and the other angle will be x minus 40. Is that clear, students? Now according to the question we have, now what we are getting? The adjacent angle. Now both angles we got, so the sum of the adjacent angles is equal to 110 degree. So according to the question we have x plus x minus 40 degree is equal to 110 degree. So it will become x plus x, this 40 degree will go that side, is equal to 110 plus 40 degree. So it will become 2x is equal to 150 degree, x is equal to 150 degree upon 2, that is equal to 75 degree. Is that clear? Understood? Now we got an angle. Now we got an angle. Now we have to find out the angles. So first angle is equal to x is equal to 75 degree, and second angle is equal to x minus 40 was there. So we will write 75 degree minus 40 degree, that is equal to that clear? So both the angles we got. Is that clear, students? We have the question number 9. First one, two angles are supplementary if one of them is 1/3 of the other. Find the angles. Now here again we will take it as supplementary angle means the sum of angles will be 180 degree, and the one of the angle the 1/3 of the other. The first angle we will take it as x. Now the second angle, how it will become? Now see, let the first angle be x. Okay. Then the other angle or second angle is equal to what will 1/3 of x. Okay. Then according to the question we have according to the question, that is the two angles are supplementary. Now two angles are x plus 1/3 of x is equal to 180 degree. It will become, LCM we will take 3x plus x upon 3 is equal to 180 degree. Then it will be 4x upon 3 is equal to 180 degree. Then we will solve it. Then we will get x is equal to 180 reciprocal of 4/3. Then it will become into 3/4. That is equal to 45. So it will be 45 into 3 is 135 degree. Then we write, so we got the first angle. This is the first angle we have. First angle is equal to 135 degree. Then second angle is equal to 1/3 of x, that is equal to 1/3 130 into 135 degree, that is equal to, can cancel. Then we get 45 degree. Is that clear, students? 10th question, that is two angles are supplementary if one of them is 30 degree less than 5 times the other. Find the angles. Now here the first angle, naturally it will become, because we have to find the angles, okay, they are talking only about the second angle. One of them is one of the angle they are talking. The second angle we will take the first angle as x. So we can write, let the first angle be x. If we are taking the first angle as x, then the second angle will be, then the second angle is equal to, what it will be? Now listen properly, 30 degree less than 5 times the other. Now 5 times, that means 5x. Okay. Then 30 degree less than, so minus 30 degree. Is that clear, students? Now both the angles we got. Now we can solve it. Now according to the question, we have that is x plus 5x minus 30 degree, okay, is equal to 180 degree, because the sum of the angles are supplementary. So we write x plus 5x, that is 6x minus 30 degree will go that side. It will become 180 degree minus become plus and 30 degree. then it will become 6x is equal to 180 minus 30 is 210 degree. Then we have, so x degree is equal to, x we are having 210 upon 6, that is equal to x. So cancelling we get 35 degree. Is that clear? Then, so what we got, now we have to find out the angles. Now the first angle is, first angle x is equal to 35 degree. Yes. Then second angle is equal to 5x minus 30, that is equal to 5 into 35 degree minus 30 degree. So it will become 5 into 35 is 175 degree minus 30 degree, that is equal to 145 degree. So both angles are 35 degree and hence the angles are 35 degree and 145 degree. I hope you all understood this session now, and have a good one. Thank you.